All right, we're gonna take a cruise here in one of those really popular air and oil cooled Porsche 911s. This one's a 1996. The designation for these is a 993. So it's a 911, 993, all these numbers. Anyhow, really cool car, kind of rare. It's a stick shift. Everybody's got these Tiptronics and automatics lately, but this is a 6-speed. It's got a rebuilt transmission, a newer clutch. Really nice car. Service records, California car. It's finished in polar silver, which is like a silver with a little bit of a bluish tint to it. Black leather interior, really clean. And it looks like the driver's seat's been redone, just probably had a little tear in it or something like that. But it looks fantastic. They redid that. Top's in good shape. It's got the standard 17-inch cup wheels on it. Drives like a dream. It's got 99,454 on the clock right now, so just under 100. These things will go 200,000 plus miles all day long. These are the best motors. There's no coolant in them, just oil. Lots of oil, synthetic oil. It's a 3.6 liter twin plug, 285 horsepower. It's got 4-wheel power disc brakes, anti-lock, hydraulic clutch. Really kind of one of the best 911s they made. And then later on they were good, they're a little bit more technology, but this is the tried and true die-hard Porsche person's car. All right, we'll go up here and take some more pictures and video. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around here. This 1996 Porsche 911 Cabriolet. This is the 2-wheel version, just a regular Carrera. Like I said earlier, the designation for this year vintage is 993. So the 993 was 95 to 98 in the US. But air and oil cooled, 3.6 liter, 285 horsepower, flat 6. It's got a 6-speed manual transmission. Great transmissions. This one is actually rebuilt. It bit a little bit in second gear. So we sent it out and had it redone. It's got a newer clutch in it as well. It's got the 17-inch cup wheels on there. You know, a couple little nicks and dings in this car, but hey, it's a 1996. You know, it's an old car. It's a classic. Black soft top's in good shape. It's power. It's got power seats. It's got an updated stereo system in there. Little Alpine. But other than that, pretty stock in here. Mentioned earlier, it's got 99,454 miles on it. It might have a few more after I drive it. But, you know, again, these have synthetic oil in them. They're pretty durable. You can drive them hard if you want. This one hasn't, but you can. They're made for it. They're very spirited to drive in the canyons. Lots of fun. They handle great. Coilover suspension. A lot of car for the money. And this one's a little price a little less than all these expensive 993s because it's got almost 100K on it. Doesn't mean anything mechanically, but less money. This is a low mileage cars are up to 100 grand now. It's kind of crazy. Anyhow, good looking machine. Here's the power plant in the 993. Again, it's a 3.6 liter, air and oil cooled, twin plug, 2 spark plugs per cylinder. All the original stickers are in here. Car hasn't had any accidents. Got a clean Carfax. Great runner driver. Let me go ahead and fire it up for you. Runs really well. That factory dual exhaust thing sounds good going down the road. You get on it, really starts to hum. Anyhow, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place, the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich, and I'd be happy to show you the car in person or show you the rest of the stuff we got here in stock. Thanks for watching.